Hello?
Hello?
Yes, you're on.
Yes. Brad.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
Yes, sir. I'm not too bad. I have a situation here where I have a 2-year conditional. And me and my wife have some problems, right? But I'm still at the house. You know, she's in one room, but we haven't together, like slept together. You know, where she avoid having.
Well, listen. I hear what you're saying, and let me stop you right there. Okay.
Yeah.
Nobody says that you have to stay in an unhappy marriage to keep your green card. Okay? The laws don't say it. Immigration Service doesn't say it. I don't say it. Okay? So if you have your conditional green card and you're in an unhappy marriage, let me tell you something. Life is too short. Okay? Every day we have on this earth is precious. You should enjoy it. You should not be unhappy. And if you are unhappy, move on. And you can still get your green card. And what you do is we have to file a divorce against your wife. And we file to get your permanent card based on the fact that you did live with her for a period of time after you did get your green card. And unfortunately, things didn't work out. But what the government wants to see when you remove the conditions of your permanent residence, they want to see not that you remained in an unhappy marriage. What they want to see is that at the time you got your green card, was it a legit marriage or was it a business marriage? So, and there's two ways to do it. You can file jointly with your wife and still say it's a legit marriage, we're still living together, or you can get a divorce from her and you can file on your own and you can say, we did live together for a period of time, things didn't work out, but here's the proof that it was legit. And I think in your situation, you're going to take door number 2. Get the divorce and prove it was a legit marriage. Unless you're going to be you believe, or you're going to take steps to try to work things out with your wife. I'm not here trying to break up anybody's marriage.
I know.
Okay, but if you're living in separate rooms and there's no way you're going to reconcile, then that's what you should do. If you're living in separate rooms and you say, you know what, I'm going to come home and we're going to see if we can talk to a counselor, whether it's a religious counselor or a doctor or whatever it is, or a psychiatrist or a psychologist or a marital counselor or social worker or whatever professional that you're going to go to try to work things out, then by all means you should do that. Okay? But if you're not going to try to work things out, then you move on with life.
But if I'm not going to work things out, my daughter is involved to where she file as well. And those people.
Yes, well, if you remove your conditions, your daughter does too. So basically, your daughter piggybacks on whatever happens with you.
Okay, so she could still get through then.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, and if you want to talk about it with me more, then just call 1-800-LAW-LINK and you can set up an appointment to come see me.
All right, Brad, no problem. Thanks very much.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, caller.
The preceding law segment was an attorney advertisement brought to you by the law offices of Spar and Bernstein.
The law offices of Spar and Bernstein is located at 225 Broadway in New York City. Reach out to them at 1-800-529-5465.
Prior successful results do not guarantee a similar outcome.